we will discuss about the Fermi level function for electrons in metal, and then the same fundamental or discussion will be carried out for semiconductor. Fermi-Dirac statistical applied to metal and a semiconductor. To understand this concept and to discuss about it, first we will discuss about the energy distribution of electrons in metal. We will find out that what energies are possessed by the mobile charge carrier in a solid. We know that in solid there are only one type of charge carrier represented by electrons or free electrons. The relation or this relation is called the energy distribution function. We will discuss about the free electrons in metal, and then it will be generalized for electrons and holes in a semiconductor. First, the case of metal will be discussed. We will discuss about the potential variation in a metal. So in metal, the region where free electrons move, or we will find a free electrons, is considered as a equipotential region. So electrons which are bonded to nucleus, only those electrons or only that distance which is close to a ion have a variation in potential, and this region which have a variation in potential is very small portion compared to the total volume of metal. So generally we assume the metal as a, or we assume that in metal the field distribution is equipotential, and the free electrons generally do not subject to any force. So in this figure we take a variable x or distance in the x-axis and and energy in electron volt in the y-axis. So we will consider only the potential energy variation at the surface only. So at the surface the energy or potential barrier, so if the electron or the conduction electron move freely within the interior of metal, but it cannot escape from the surface unless it have a energy equal to Eb, or at least it is must be equal to Eb. So if a electron try to escape from a metal, then it will induce a positive charge on the surface, because originally we considered that metal is a neutral. So there will always a force of attraction between free electron which escape from the metal surface and the metal surface. So until unless the electron possesses sufficient energy to carry out from the influence of this imaginary force, it will force back into the metal. So it indicates that, or it clears that a potential energy barrier exists at the surface of metal. So we will discuss, or we want to know that is there any electrons or free electrons in the interior of metal with a sufficient energy equal to Eb or not. Or we want to know that what is the energy distribution of, or we want to know the energy distribution of free electron within the metal, or what is mean by the distribution function. To understand this concept, we will take an example. Suppose we are interested to know the distribution in age of the people in the US. So if we suppose there is a graph between the age and the density of the population in that particular age. So the graph is represented here, where the x-axis represent the age in years, 0 years, 20 years, 40 years, 60 years, and 80 years, and 100 years. And the y-axis represent the density of the population in that particular age. It is represented by rho A. So the density or the number of people, suppose the number of people whose age lie in between range A and A plus dA is represented by DNA. So DNA is the number of people whose age between A and A plus dA. So we can represent DNA is equal to rho A multiplied by dA. Total population can be find out by integration of this quantity D and A. So total population n equal to integration of DNA equal to integration of rho A dA. So it will, so the area under this whole curve is give the total number of population. So in this graph we will take again an example how to calculate a particular number of people which is lie in a certain age group. Suppose we want to find out the number of people in the age between 10 to 12 years. Suppose this area represented here 10 and here 12. So the total number of population of the people whose age lies between 10 and 12 years. It can be find out D and A equal to the value of rho corresponding to this gap is approximate 2.25. So it will be 2.25 multiplied by dA. dA means 12 minus 10 equal to 2. So total number of population of between the age gap 10 and 12 is 4.50 and the unit of it is given by millions. So by the same concept we can find out the function for the, or we can formulate the distribution in energy of the free electron in metal. So accordingly to the same rule we can now define the distribution in energy of the free electrons in metal. So D and E can be written as equal to rho E multiplied by dE. D and E represent the number of free electrons per cubic meter whose energy lies in energy interval dE, and rho E is density of electrons in interval dE. So we are talking about only the free electrons. So it was assumed that there is no potential variation within the metal. So if there is no potential variation, so there will be same number of electrons in each cubic meter of the metal. So the density in space, that is the electron per cubic meter, must be a constant. But in each unit volume of metal, there will be electrons having all possible energies. So this distribution of energy is expressed by rho E. And the function rho E can be represented by Ne multiplied by Fe, where Ne is the density of state in conduction band and Fe is the probability that a quantum state with energy E occupied by electron. The expression for Ne again, Ne is density of state in conduction band and Ne is formulated by gamma e to the power half. The derivation of this formula can be explained in another video. So where gamma is represented by, gamma is constant and its value is given by 4 pi upon h cube 2m to the power half, 2m to the power 3 by 2 multiplied by 6.2 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 to the power 3 by 2. And if we calculate the value of gamma, then it will be found out gamma equal to 6.82 into 10 to the power 27. So till now we describe the formula for energy density dNe, which is rho E multiplied by dE, and rho E is density of electron in interval dE, and it is defined by Ne multiplied by Fe, where Ne is the density of state in conduction band and Fe is the probability a quantum state occupied by electron. Ne again represented by a formula. Ne is equal to gamma e to the power half, where gamma is equal to 6.8 multiplied by 10 to the power 27. We will discuss about the Fermi-Dirac function. The equation for Fe is called Fermi-Dirac probability function, and it specifies fraction of all energy state occupied under thermal equilibrium condition. So Fe represents the number of all occupied or specifies fraction of all energy state occupied by electron under thermal equilibrium, and its formula can be given as Fe equal to 1 upon 1 pi plus epsilon E minus Ef upon kT, where K and these terms are very common to know. K is Boltzmann constant, T temperature, Ef Fermi level, or characteristic energy for crystal in electron volt.